The following message has been given authorization for release at the request of the Wichita Police Department. The city of Wichita is unsafe because of a wildfire outbreak that is happening. Leave the area now. Please protect yourself. If you cannot evacuate, if you can, grab anything quickly and leave. Stay tuned for more information.
This is an NBC News special report.
In this video right here, it appears to be showing
Civil danger warning for the state of Kansas. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Kansas Emergency Management Association. This is not a drill. Repeating, this is not a drill. Recently, there have been reports coming in about a mysterious figure floating in the sky, destroying a massive office building in the city of Topeka, Kansas. This figure has not been identified as of now, so the FBI will investigate into the situation. If this figure somehow appears in your home, arm yourself with any possible weapon you can find. This includes lethal force. Residents of Kansas, lock any doors or windows if you can, and make sure this figure can't enter into your home. Tune into local media outlets for more information when it becomes available.
so far, we can only assume as to who or what has caused this mysterious phenomenon.
Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt your standard broadcasting to issue an emergency alert. Information about the alert will be relayed across all stations shortly. Please stand by. Please stand.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, in conjunction with the Department of Homeland Security and the Department of Defense. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. Just a few minutes ago, a masked individual has been terrorizing the cities of Los Angeles, Chicago, Detroit, New York City, Dallas, Miami, and Philadelphia. This masked individual has been identified as 12-year-old Brandon Breyer. It has been confirmed that Brandon has, in fact, superpowers. These include, but are not limited to, shooting high-powered lasers from the eyes, flying at supersonic speeds, and invincible skin with the consistency of a diamond. Do not approach Brandon as he is extremely dangerous and could kill you if he wanted to. It is heavily recommended that all citizens of the United States to remain inside with any possible entrances locked, such as doors or windows. If you all of a sudden approach Brandon Breyer, put your hands behind your head, don't make any sudden movements, and follow his commands as he is indestructible. So any form of violence including lethal force won't work against him. Tune into local media outlets for more information when it becomes available.